Welcome to the Supercode channel. Let us see what is Python and basic command of Python. Well, Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation. Its language constructs as well as its object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. Let us see the basic command in Python.